Hello and welcome to another tutorial on keys and scales. Now for this question, as usual, we'll write down the major key that shares the key signatures and list down the key signatures. Right, so B major, you have F, C, G, D, and A sharp in this sequence. So we are going to look for this sequence in the options given. Now for the first option here, there's F, C, G, D, A. A should have been an octave lower, which is here. Next we have in the tenor clef, so F should have been here instead of the higher sharp. Next we have F, C, G, D, A. A should have been an octave lower. F, C, G, D, A. Bingo! Now we have D flat major, so it's B, E, A, D, G flat. Alright, it goes in this sequence, so we'll take a look at the first one. B, E, G, D, A, so the G and the A are switched. B, E, A, D, G. This is it, and then here, these are all wrong, in the wrong position, and this too is wrong. For this question, let's write down the notes with the accidentals. Here we have F, C, G sharp. Next we have a sharp and a flat, so it's most probably a flat key with a raised 7th note, which is C sharp. And finally another scale in sharp. We have F, C, G, D, A, E sharp, and as you can see here, C sharp, which is most probably the 7th note of a minor key. So now let's take a look at the options that we have here. F, C, G is A major. C sharp is the 7th note of D minor. And here, C double sharp would be a 7th note of D sharp minor. Next question. F sharp melodic minor shares the same key signature as A major. So we have A, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and the raised 6th and 7th note because it's an ascending scale. So it would be D sharp and E sharp. Now that we have the accidentals and the key signatures, let's write down the letter names. F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, and F sharp. So here for X we have G sharp, so here it is. And finally for Y we have D sharp, which is here. So there you go. That's all for today's tutorial. Remember, when in doubt, make a list. Bye.